Hey friends, in this video we are going to compare the Portronics Sound Drum and the Portronics Pure Sound Pro 3. So let's move in. As you can see, I've lined up both these speakers in front of you. This is the Portronics Sound Drum and this is the Portronics Pure Sound Pro 3. This is a soundbar and this is a portable Bluetooth speaker from the same brand, Portronics. And if you haven't watched the unboxing and review of both these speakers, you can see there is a card up over there. You can click on the card and watch the videos because those are in-depth unboxing and reviews of both these speakers. And moving on to the build quality and design of these speakers, I've said it many times, as both these speakers are of Portronics, the build quality is just phenomenal on both these speakers. Undoubtedly one of the best fit and finished speakers I have ever seen in the market right now, because I have unboxed many speakers. The build quality on both these speakers is just tremendous because the fit and finish is so superb. You cannot see any kind of panel gap, any rough edges at all. The Portronics Sound Drum is made out of half fabric. You can see this is fabric and this is plastic, soft touch plastic, which feels quite good in your hand. And because of this fabric, the speaker feels very premium at this price point. And on the top you get the bass radiator. This is the plastic housing for the bass radiator, and in the front this is your button layout. And as I've said, this is a very portable speaker because of the circular design, or you can say cylindrical design. This speaker is very portable. You can carry this speaker anywhere with you. This can fit in your pocket very easily. As this is the holiday season going on, you might be traveling somewhere, so this is the perfect speaker to travel with because this doesn't take that much space in your bag and this isn't that heavy also. So moving on to the Portronics soundbar. Portronics soundbar is not meant for traveling because the design is pretty good in my opinion. Soundbars are rectangular in design and this is the same. Portronics has done something different with the grill. As you can see, the grill is quite contoured to yourself, so this feels quite great and this looks pretty good. The design is quite well. And another different thing about this speaker is the color. As you can see, this is a jet black type of a color, and I've said in my unboxing also that I don't like this color that much, but after I've been using this speaker for last 2 weeks right now, this color started growing on me, and because of this color, this speaker looks very premium. I know this is very hard to maintain. I have to continuously wipe it to make it look more good, and this is a fingerprint magnet and scratch prone also. The build quality, as I've said, very tremendous on both these speakers. Doesn't have any kind of panel gaps. The whole shell on this speaker is made out of plastic, soft touch plastic, which feels pretty good in your hand also and makes the speaker look and feel more premium. So moving on to the features of both these speakers. Features wise, both the speakers are similar because as you can see, both are of same brand. Both the speakers have latest Bluetooth. Both the speakers are 10 watt. Both the speakers get USB port. As you can see, on this one you get it at the back, and on this one also at the back over here. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the USB port over here. Both the speakers get aux port and you get auto shutdown features on both these speakers. And the advantage of the Portronics soundbar over the Portronics Sound Drum is the battery. The battery is 2500 mAh on the Portronics soundbar in comparison to the Portronics Sound Drum's 1800 mAh, and because of that the playtime is also more on the Portronics soundbar than the Portronics Sound Drum. And some advantages which this Portronics Sound Drum has: this speaker is water resistant and the speaker has a microphone inbuilt. The Portronics soundbar doesn't have a microphone inbuilt, so you cannot pick up calls from the Portronics soundbar, but you can pick up calls from this speaker. You get a bass radiator on top, which looks so dope when the song is playing. So now we'll move on to the sound test of both these speakers. So friends, I've connected both these speakers to my Nexus 6P, and first we are going to hear the Portronics soundbar, and the name of the song is My Heart by NCS, and the volume from my device is full, as you can see. Let me just keep the sound drum aside and we are going to hear the Portronics sound bar. Now I'm going to play the song. So friends, as you have heard the Portronics sound bar, we'll move to the Portronics sound drum. So the same song again, so you can get a correct perspective, and the volume from my device is full. So I'm going to play the song. These speakers now, the sound from both these speakers is just fabulous. It is super clear, doesn't have any kind of distortion, typical Portronics. But when it comes to bass, you heard and you watched the video, the bass on the Portronics sound drum is damn thumping. This is one of the best speakers when it comes to bass and sound, under 2000 rupees. And when you consider the Portronics Pure Sound Pro 3 as a soundbar, the bass on this speaker is also pretty good in soundbar standards. And let me clarify friends that both these speakers are of different category. This is a soundbar which is meant for enhancing the sound of your television. You cannot travel with this speaker because this will take lots and lots of space and this will not fit anywhere. But this is a very portable speaker, and as I've said, you can travel with this speaker, you can fit the speaker anywhere. Very portable Bluetooth speaker, and the sound from both these speakers is very good. They are very similar, and they are very similar when it comes to loudness also, because both the speakers are 10 watt. And features wise also both the speakers are very similar. Both the speakers get same features, but only the thing is that this speaker is more practical because this speaker gets more features like water resistant and a microphone, which I think is a more practical thing. And if you ask me which I will choose, I will go for the sound drum because of the bass, and for the television I will go for the soundbar, because when I made the unboxing review of this Portronics soundbar, I got many comments that which one is better, which one should I go for. But it actually depends on you, which one do you want, what is the use. Actually this speaker is very useful when it comes to watching movies or something, but on a laptop. And if you want a very portable speaker, you want to travel with it and the sound should be pretty loud, so you can go for this speaker. But if you want a speaker for your television to enhance the sound of your television, you can go for the soundbar. So it actually depends on you friends. So friends, let me know in the comments down below which one is best for you. So friends, this is it for now. This is the comparison between the Portronics sound drum and the Portronics Pure Sound Pro 3. Thank you for watching friends.